where the hell have you been?
Oh, out getting some fresh air.
Well, I'm glad one of us was. All right, listen to me. I've intercepted a transmission coming out of Branson Military Base. Some spook named Blonsky's taking charge. They're planning a major foray in your direction as we speak. Bruce, he's requisitioned half the men and supplies in the base. They know you're out there and they're coming for you. I want you to come back into town and lay low for a while. You're in real danger out there.
Len, if I came into town, everyone would be in danger.
Bruce, as your doctor, I'm urging you to reconsider. Your health's deteriorating by the hour. You're not going to find a cure for the Hulk out there by yourself.
Hey, you worry too much. Nobody knows I'm here.
Hello, Dr. Banner. I've waited a long time to make your acquaintance. Send a warning shot his way, General. If Banner's in there, I want him to get the point, quickly.
Don't be ridiculous, Blonsky. We'd give away our position.
Corporal, send in a fire team. 1 round towards the outhouse by the west wall.
Yes, sir! Alpha 19er, Tango is in the clear. I repeat, Tango is clear. Bruce, I'm losing the comm relay. Can you hear me? Bruce, are you there? I'm picking up your trace. If you can understand what I'm saying, get out of there. Get out of there!
This is your chance to prove yourself, General Ross. Make it count. Recon is over. Send in the assault teams. Aren't making much of an impression, General. I can see the rumors are true.
We're left! We're left! Dead or alive, it don't matter.
Taken months to assemble this operation, Ross. Don't blow it.
Please, for God's sake, unban you!
It doesn't matter. This is just the beginning.
I hope you're satisfied, Blonsky. The Hulk got away.
He'll turn up. He's a freak, and a conspicuous one. I'm more concerned with what Banner left behind. There! I want that biocontainer before it's destroyed.
Careful, Blonsky! You have no idea what you're playing with.
I have a job to do, General. Banner left his toys in the playground, and I'm not about to watch them burn.
The weather alert will continue with heavy rains coming in from the northwest. Meanwhile, the governor plays down suggestions the Hulk is still in the area. Residents are urged to remain.
They took the machine from me. It was the only chance I had. I didn't have anywhere else to go.
Okay, follow me, quickly. You should have come here sooner, Bruce.
Look, I know, and I'm sorry. The sickness is getting worse. I think the Hulk's trying to break away from me, and I don't know how long I'll be able to contain it.
It's far from completion, but it's a start. With your expertise added, we can get into your neural generators and figure out what triggers the beast.
Not with this kind of processing power. I mean, Len, how are we going to equip it?
Already thought of that. Here, put this on.
What is it?
Think of it as a video game. You're looking at a 3D model of a handheld neural interface. It can perform read or write operations directly into a patient's mind. In effect, the device force feeds mission objectives into your mind, then violently transforms you into the Hulk. I know it won't be pleasant, but it's the only chance we've got.